In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Zoho projects with Zoho Payroll. To begin, sign into your Zoho Projects account and make sure you are on the main dashboard where you can see your projects list. This is often labeled as All Projects, and it is a good starting point because it confirms you are in the correct Zoho Projects portal before changing any settings. Next, look toward the top area of the Zoho Projects interface for your account or profile section. This is typically shown as a small profile icon or an account menu. Click that highlighted area to open the account options. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to scan the top navigation bar since it is usually on the right side. From the menu that opens, click the highlighted option that takes you into your personal settings or user profile area. This is where Zoho Projects keeps setup and configuration options for your account. Moving through this path ensures you are adjusting settings at the account level and not inside a single project. Once you are in the setup area, find and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho Projects connects with other Zoho services and third-party tools. Opening Marketplace is important because integrations are managed from here, not from the regular project pages. Inside Marketplace, click on Zoho Apps. This section shows the family of Zoho applications that can be linked to Zoho Projects. If you have multiple Zoho products available, you may see a list of options here. Take your time to read the app names carefully so you select the correct activation option. Finally, click on Activate Zoho Expense. This activation step enables the Zoho app connection from within Zoho Projects. During activation, you may be prompted to confirm permissions or allow access. Read each prompt and proceed to approve it, since those permissions are what allow the apps to communicate correctly. After activation completes, you will be able to use the connected Zoho app features within Zoho Projects based on your organization settings and access rights. That covers everything you need to know.